So again, this is a 12 by 20 projection screen powered by the Epson 2150. It's actually mounted about 14 foot off the ground on the two corners, and then it comes down about 12 feet. This is during the middle of the day right now, so it's really bright outside, you can see, but still overall screen quality and quite good considering daylight, but obviously at nighttime it's even better. We currently have a little FM transmitter plugged into the projector, and then that's broadcasting out to just an AM FM radio or stereo system out here. And then for the content, we just have a Roku plugged into it that is just streaming Wi-Fi. So the nice thing about this setup then is really I only have one power cable going up to the projector. Everything else is wireless, which is really nice for this kind of setup. So we really enjoy watching movies out here as a family during the summertime. You don't have to deal with any of the rain or wind from outside theaters. And yet you still get the giant size, and you can sit up quite close, and it's almost like IMAX sitting up close. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. The key for us was using a paint on the screen. We initially mounted it with just the tarp by itself, but the tarp was super glossy, and it resulted in a lot of glare because it wasn't perfectly flat. So we ended up using a PPG gripper paint, just a flat white paint, and that made it much improved. So hope you all enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye. That was just a quick snapshot of our kind of our hoist system. So all this is just a bunch of 2x4s spliced together to try to create some sort of structure along the bottom. And then on the tarp itself, actually when the tractor's not here, this will come all the way down actually, and actually hold it very taut. But right now it's just hitting the tractor. So when you hoist it up though, at each one of these eyelets we have basically it's anchored or secured to that 2x4, and at the top it's the same way. You can kind of see those eyelets, each one of those is secured to the 2x4, and then we don't have anything along the sides. But we fab together this just scrap wood pulley system here, and then at the top we also have a pulley. So obviously when you pull on this, it just rolls it up. At least you want to do that for us. So you get the idea. And then it's when we're not using it, it's stored up and out of the way, and it keeps the tarp clean and everything as well. So, and then we just anchor it off, and when we want to watch a movie, we come out, lower it down, and go to town. Thanks.